Some beginner traders confuse break of structure and change of character. They see price break a level and immediately think the market is reversing, but in reality, it's just a continuation. And if you don't understand the difference between BOS and CHoCH, you will keep entering bad trades, getting stopped out, and trading against trend. So in this video, I will explain BOS and CHoCH in a layman's understanding using real market logic. Let's get into it. Before understanding BOS and CHoCH, you first need to understand market structure. But I've made a video on market structure, but let me just do a kind of recap here. You can watch the video. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. We have market move higher high, higher low for a bullish market, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is just a simple market structure. We have another one for bullish, for bearish structure. We have lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. These are two examples of market direction. Market structure simply tells us the direction of price. Market structure helps a trader understand the direction at which price is going. In an uptrend, as we have shown here, it creates higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. In downtrend, price creates lower highs and lower lows. As you can see, this is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But that's not the main topic of this video. Our focus is on break of structure and change of character. I want to know the difference between the two. What is break of structure? A break of structure usually confirms that the current trend is continuing. Thus, break of structure used to trade continuation. Let me show you. If market is moving in this direction, higher high, then higher low, higher, and it breaks this structure, it returns here to retest this place, comes here. You can use this to trade the continuation of this trend when it comes back to test this. So here now you have break of structure. Let's label this place as break of structure. Is BOS. Can bring it down. This break of structure. This is another break of structure here. This break of structure. So then what is change of character? Change of character may signal possible trend reversal. This happens when price suddenly breaks the opposite structure. For example, we have for uptrends higher high, For uptrend, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and price comes to break this major low. We have change of character. This is a signal that the market is about trading the opposite side. So this becomes a change of character if price closes below the major low for uptrend. So we label this as change of character. We soon move to chart and give example, but let's illustrate it first. For downtrends, we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and price comes to take the lower high and close above it. This becomes change of character. Let's label it here. This becomes change of character. So two main difference between this is that BOS is used to trade continuation while CHoCH is used to trade possible reversal. Let's move to charts. You can see from this example here, market is making series of higher high, higher low. In this uptrend, you have seen it, higher high, higher low. There's a break of structure here. Higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher low, break of structure, and price comes to break the major higher low here and close below it. This shows that price is about turning to downtrend. So we have change of character here. So change of character is a sign of reversal, while break of structure is a sign of continuation. That's the major difference. And another one is that break of structure follows the current trend, while CHoCH warns that trends may be changing. As you can see here, all the BOS we have here follows the current trend, which is the uptrend, but the CHoCH is signaling that trend is changing here. So for BOS, it will always follow the current trend, while CHoCH follows the opposite trend. Let's look at how smart money traders use break of structure and change of character. Most smart money traders combine the following. One, let's write them. They combine break of structure, change of character, liquidity. Three, fair value gap. They don't rely on structure alone. So these four things and many others are used to trade the concept of change of character and break of structure. Smart money traders don't just pick one strategy and trade, they combine them, get many confluences before they can place a trade. If you are just starting, don't complicate it. These are the things you should do. Number one, identify structure. Two, understand trend direction. When you identify the structure should be able to tell you the trend direction. Then spot continuation and reversal, which BOS and CHoCH will do justice to. This is what you should focus as a beginner. Master these three things first, because break of structure and change of character become much easier when you understand basic market structure. So in summary, BOS means trend continuation, while CHoCH means possible trend reversal. BOS follows momentum. CHoCH once momentum may be changing. Once you understand this difference, you will read the market much more clearly and avoid beginner mistakes. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you want more beginner forex tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.